So this is the end of the day on the 21st day past my knee replacement. I didn't get a chance yesterday to do a day 20, so this is 20 and 21. Nothing really changed yesterday. I was able to move around a little bit more. Back to work, working from home. Everything was good. I was able to get, I'm thinking maybe 3 hours sleep the night before. And then last night from to this morning, I had maybe 4 hours sleep. So my sleep is getting better. I'm still not sleeping where I need to be. But that's just, again, that's just part of the recovery process. I had physio today. So I found that they push you in physio, and it seems like after it just aggravates everything. So this afternoon and this evening has been an increase in pain. And I was shown a couple more exercises that I need to do, and I got to work on getting my leg to extend and my back of my knee to be flat. So that's something that I've got to sort of make some changes. I got to adjust and have an exercise for that. Basically, where you put a belt or a strap around the bottom, around your toes, and you're pulling your foot towards you, and with one hand, and at the same time with your other hand, you're pushing down on your knee to sort of extend, so that your knee can, flatten to the bed or the floor or whatever you're trying to hyperextend it to. It right now I've got a couple of degrees where I just can't get to that, and I could slide a hand under the back of my knee when I'm sitting on something and my legs extended. I've got a gap there, so I got to work on that and try to get rid of that gap. I still have swelling. I'm still using the ice pack box, so I'm still using that. I haven't put heat on in a day or so, but the swelling in the knee, I guess, needs to be reduced a bit, just so that it's easier to move. And it's all part of that. It's all part of that recovery. So, and for the past 2 times now after physio, my knee has been aggravated because I guess making changes and having your knee adjust to where it needs to be, you got to push yourself a little harder, I guess. And that's what physio is helping me with. They're working on, just more of the same thing that I've been working on, but a little more aggressive. So for the next 6 weeks, next 5 weeks, I'll be going to physio twice a week, and I hope that that with that and with some changes in the exercises that I'm doing and pushing a little harder, that it helps me progress and recover quicker. So yeah, that's just it. So there was nothing really to, there's really been no major changes. It's just kind of going along at the same sort of pace that it was, where a little bit better each day. So that's where I'm at. So that's the end of the day 20 end of the day 21st. And I guess my plan now is to maybe do a video every 5 days rather than every day, just because there's more to maybe cover in a 5-day period than there is like every day, with every day kind of being the similar. So that's the plan. I'll do a summary every 5 days for the next little while and see how my recovery is. Anyway, have a good night, and we'll talk to you in a little while.